You know just what you do to me. Play my emotion. There's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So this is what I eat in a day. So I started off with my oats. I can't do nothing without oats. I just put the water on fire, then I'll add my oats there, then I'll add my sugar, then whatever dairy that I want, I add it. This one is a non-dairy. So after cooking, I just pour it into this bowl. Sometimes I add milk, or sometimes I just leave it and eat it like that. So this is the final look. So I started to prepare my lunch. I started by chopping these vegetables. I was about to make a stew that I saw on Tita Julie's channel. So I sauteed my pan, then I added some chopped onions, stirred until it was transparent. I added my chopped pepper and then chopped tomatoes, stirred also, covered it, steamed for a while. Then I added this green pepper, stirred again. After I added my egg, I whisked about 3 eggs and added it, covered it until the egg cooked very well. Stirred everything together. It cooked for a while. Added some salt. I'll link the recipe if you want to check it out.
Oh, you got me.
Then I dished it out.
All of the times I've been there, times I came.
I sauteed my pan, added some onions, then I added my rice. Leave the rice to fry for a while. I added some salt. I did add my water. Covered it for it to cook. I covered it with my napkin and then lowered the fire. Then it stewed for a while.
Used to be optimistic. These days I just.
So this is the final look of the food. I really want to make an effort to take vitamin C every day. So I prepared my cold water in my bottle. This is the soluble one. You can take it with warm water, but if you like, you can take it with cold water as well. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.
I wouldn't do that to you.